Friday afternoon at 5:12 p.m. Friday evening. And the current temperature, let's zoom on in, is 117 degrees, 48 degrees Celsius at Binion's. Top of Binion's 18 p.m. Look at that. No joke. Oh, it went down a temp to 116, so maybe it's starting to cool off, and it peaked out at 117 today. Look at that pool though. Woo-wee. It is gorgeous. Anyways, I bet it's really super warm though. Take a peek down under the canopy. There's barely anyone walking around. Alright guys, stay tuned. We got the live stream going in.
We're trying this Bene Cafe cookie that we got from the Cosmo. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's adorable. Little Cosmo cookie. Let's take a bite. That's good. It's like a sugar cookie with really yummy icing on top. Let's try the little Cosmo thing. Ooh, Cosmo. That's good. It's day 4. Popping over at Circa. We're at the Plaza having a blast. Alright kids, we're going to try this crack pie from Milk Bar. They call it the Milk Bar pie now, so let's see how it is. There's our Milk Bar pie. Let's see why they call it the crack pie. Tastes very buttery, very sugary, brown sugary. Very good though. I'll give this an 8.5 out of 10. Very good, very sweet. The Bene cookie, we're going to give that an 8.5 out of 10. We're going to try this PB&J donut from PinkBox. It is a glazed jelly donut stuffed with jelly and has peanut butter on top. That is a really good donut. I recommend you try their PB&J donut from PinkBox. That hits all the right spots. We're gonna give that one a 9 out of 10. That one is really, really good. Ooh, there's the PinkBox Porky's, the maple bacon cronut. The PinkBox Porky's maple bacon cronut. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna rate that one an 8 out of 10. Well, that has been our little haul of yum yums for the day. Let's go see what other trouble we can get into.
We are on the 16th floor at the Plaza. We're in room 1620. Let's go take a peek. Got your ice machine right there. We've been here at the Plaza for 2 nights. This is going to be our 3rd night. And so far, we absolutely have fallen in love with this place. It is amazing. Having a fantastic stay. Tonight is Friday night, and they do fireworks up on the deck. We are in room 1620 in the North Tower. Let's go and take a peek. When you come in, you have 2 lovely queen beds. Some nice art on the wall. You have a big, beautiful mirror. Look at that. Almost floor-to-ceiling mirror. There is a luggage rack. And over here you got your second bed. Got a nice little lamp and an alarm clock. Your phone, your remote control. I like that they have their television channel guide. We dig that. Now, as far as plugins, there's quite a few plugins here. There are 2 plugs over here, and I believe there's a USB on each side. Over here we got a nice dresser and closet and beautiful big screen TV. And surprise, down here they have a beautiful fridge for you. And here's a bonus, they've got 2 Plaza waters for you. Nice touch, Plaza. Your chest of drawers, 3 drawers. Here's your beautiful closet. There's an ironing board, an iron, and room for storage down there. It's a very nice, spacious room, and as you can see, it has these beautiful faux hardwood floors, which we love. Very, very nice touch. We got the donut blanket. We thought it was perfect to bring the pink donut blanket because they got the pink donuts here. Really cute place. We love the Plaza. I definitely think we're gonna return here for sure. Having a great time. There's a nice desk over here. Get your work done. And there's also something you don't see very often in Vegas, a coffee maker. And they supply you with your coffee. Wow, look at that. Nice touch, Plaza. We are digging the Plaza. Beautiful art. An ice bucket if you want to get some ice. There is 2 USB outlets here and 2 plugs as well. Little chair is super comfy. And super cute. Look at that. Nice chair. A beautiful AC unit that has kept this room nice and cold. Usually I keep my room like 65 or lower. It's 69 in here right now and it is currently super hot outside. I will show you that in a minute. So thumbs up on the AC. It's one of the best ACs in Vegas. Thank you, Plaza. Over here you have the bathroom door, which is another cool touch that you don't see very often in Vegas. It has a sliding door that opens up into your bathroom. And it's got one of those walk-in showers, doesn't have a door on it. But the cool thing about it is you turn it on over here and the shower head is over there. Instead of just having this little piece of glass like most of the places in Vegas do, it has a nice little shower curtain so you don't get water out. It's got these nice little mystery spots for your shampoo and stuff, and comes with some nice soap, almond and olive. We're not sure what this is for. Maybe that's to like put your cocktail while you're in the shower. Maybe not, because that wouldn't be safe. We're not sure what that's for. Maybe it's a footrest. Got your little toilet, extra little toilet paper. Your beautiful sink, mirror. Very nice touch. Plenty of space. You can put stuff up here. You have Kleenex, towels, extra towels, a hair dryer, and you're safe. Then let me show you the view that we got. We're live streaming in the room right now. Got everybody here. We got an amazing view of the Circa pool. Isn't that awesome? Stadium swim. And then over the Fremont Street experience. And Main Street. So pretty cool. Awesome view of the Golden Nugget. The D for Queens, Fremont, and Binions. It says it's 113 degrees. It got cooled off really fast. That's interesting. It was just 117 degrees about an hour ago, if that. Overall, we love our room at the Plaza and can't wait to stay again. Like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Will you stay at the Plaza? I sure will again. There's so many reasons why I will, but as you can see in this room tour, the room brings you a lot of value that you don't get at other Vegas hotels. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you next time. Be sure to check out one of my many Vegas room tours. We have over 25 room tours on the channel now, so watch that playlist. All right, kids, we'll see you next time. Peace out. Shout out to the Plaza, Joseph Cruz. You rock, my friend. Thank you for hooking us up with this amazing stay. We can't wait to come back and see you again soon. And shout out to the Plaza CEO, Jonathan Jossel. You rock, sir. The best CEO in Las Vegas. All right, kids, have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Peace out.